welcome back to the channel. Now we'll just go out to the Auris 2007-8. This one I was seeing that the timing, the clock, calendar and everything is wrong, so we just have to set it up. And then I was remember, let's just make a little video for you guys too. Maybe someone would like to see how I do it. Yeah, just put in a key, of course, to get up things. Start on, go to setup, hold it in, clock, hold it in. Let's go to clock again. Clock, hold it in. Set it to right hour. There. And then going to 35, it jumped over by itself. There it jumped out. Then can go down to date. Be good to have that one right too. Hold in the button. Year. I'm come to 2025. This has reset when the battery have been out. 24 I mean. And we have in the 7th month. Let's see if it have yeah, this is month, so it's set up right, 7. And then we are at the date of 14th. You see, I'm too fast. Now it's set up not with Norwegian, but th June. There. We jumped out. 14th of 7th, 24 is right. $14.36. Everything is right. Just have to remember that it jumped to the next when you set the hours, it jump automatically to the minutes. When you set the year, it jump automatically to the month and then to the date. So you don't have to push in. I was stressing in that little. I haven't looked in the instruction book. It's a good feeling. Not looking in the instruction book. Instruction books are not for real men. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, hope someone get helped. So, yeah, just check it on your car and set so you are in the right year and the right hour. That would be a nice thing. Yeah, please come back. Please start following the channel. I have some more Auris videos, but I have a lot of other videos, a lot about Toyotas, a lot of brakes, a lot of things. So please come back, please put a like, please start subscribing, of course, and put a comment. Thank you.